How to fix Fortnite freezing on a PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite freezing on a PC. Ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements to run Fortnite smoothly. Check the CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage specifications. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Restart your computer before launching Fortnite. Right-click on the Fortnite shortcut or executable file. Select Run as Administrator from the Contacts menu. Running the game with administrative privileges can help prevent certain conflicts and issues. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest driver for your GPU. Install the updated graphics driver following the provided instructions. Open the Epic Games launcher. Go to your Fortnite library. Click on the three dots next to the Fortnite game. Select Verify to verify the integrity of game files. This will ensure that no files are corrupted or missing. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Update and Security. Select Windows Update and check for any available updates. Install any pending updates for your operating system. Make sure your Fortnite game is up to date by installing the latest patch. Open the Epic Games launcher and navigate to your Fortnite library. Check for any available updates and install them if there are any. Open the control panel and navigate to System and go to Security next to the system. Then, Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, click on the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings. Go to the Advanced tab in the Performance Options window. Click on Change under Virtual Memory. Adjust the virtual memory settings according to your system's recommendations, or set it to automatically manage paging file size for all drives. If none of the above steps resolves the freezing issue, consider reinstalling Fortnite. Open the Epic Games launcher. Go to your Fortnite library and uninstall the game. Once uninstalled, reinstall Fortnite from the Epic Games store. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.